Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about important things related to mental health and well-being. Today we're going to talk about something very sensitive and important: self-harm, and how to find healthier ways to deal with difficult feelings. If you're struggling, please know you're not alone. And there's help out there. You see, for years, self-harm was something people only whispered about, something hidden. But the truth is, lots of people are struggling with this pain, quietly carrying this burden. Today we're going to talk openly about self-harm, stop the shame around it, and talk about how we can find healing and hope. We're going to talk about what makes people self-harm, how to see the signs, and most importantly, how to find healthier ways to cope. I believe that by sharing our stories and supporting each other, we can help each other find healing and live our best lives. When we're struggling with difficult emotions, it can feel like we're carrying a really heavy load. But you don't have to carry this alone. Talking to someone you trust, like a friend, a family member, a teacher, or a therapist, can make a big difference. Opening up and sharing your story can feel scary, I know. But think about a time when you were struggling and someone listened to you without judging you. How did that make you feel? Seen? Understood? That's what happens when we share our stories. When we talk about what we're going through, we don't feel so alone anymore, and we can find compassion and support. Remember, you deserve love and support. Don't be afraid to ask for help. One of the most important steps in finding healthier ways to cope is understanding why you self-harm. What are the thoughts, feelings, or situations that make you want to do it? I encourage you to write in a journal. Write down what you're feeling, what happened before you felt this way, and what you were thinking. Over time, you'll start to see patterns. You'll start to understand what makes you feel these overwhelming emotions. This is really powerful. It helps you see these challenging moments coming and find ways to deal with them in a healthier way. Remember, understanding yourself is very helpful. When you feel like you want to self-harm, it's important to have other things you can do instead. These should help you release those intense emotions without hurting yourself. One thing you can do is hold an ice cube tightly in your hand. The cold can help distract you from the emotional pain. Snapping a rubber band on your wrist is another option that can give you a quick, sharp feeling without causing injury. Doing creative things can also be really helpful. Drawing, painting, writing. These activities let you express your emotions in a safe and healthy way. When we're struggling with difficult emotions, it's easy to forget to look after ourselves. But looking after yourself is really important. Think of it as filling yourself up with good things so you can have the energy to deal with challenges. Do things that make you happy and peaceful. Go for a walk outside and feel the sun on your face. Listen to music that makes you feel good. Try meditation. Looking after your body is also important. Eat healthy foods that give you energy. Do exercise that makes you feel strong. When you care for your body, you care for your mind too. Sometimes we need a bit of extra help, and that's okay. Just like we see a doctor when we're physically sick, we can get help for our mental health. Therapists and counselors are trained to help you understand why you self-harm, find ways to cope, and think in healthier ways. They give you a safe place to talk about your emotions and work towards healing. Remember, asking for help is brave, not weak. You deserve support, and getting professional help can really help you feel better. If you or someone you know is struggling with self-harm, please ask for help. There are lots of resources available, and you deserve to feel safe and supported. Don't let shame or fear stop you from getting the help you deserve. Remember, you are not your struggles. You are a valuable person who deserves love, support, and healing. There is hope and there is help. Take that first step towards a brighter future. Host. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on mental health and well-being. Take care and be kind to yourself.